Pacific Beach living, resort-style amenities, and a spacious studio at a price that makes sense. Yeah, this one's a steal. Let's count it down. 5 tennis courts, 4 pools, 3-minute walk to food and shopping, under 2 miles to the beach, and 1 gated parking spot. Because yes, that matters. Pacific Beach styling without breaking bank.
Ice cold lemonade, popping champagne. Your eyes, blue skies, and love and life. We're heading to the beach.